In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change default download location on Safari on an iPhone or iPad. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning. So first off, we need to head over to Settings. On Settings, scroll down until you find Safari. And now once we get into Safari settings, all we have to do is just scroll down a bit, and here we can find downloads. We need to get into downloads, and that's where we can change default download location. We can select either we would like to save downloaded files on our device or at iCloud. I prefer to keep my downloads on my particular device. And also down below here it says downloads. It means that default download location is downloads folder on my iPhone. And now let me show you how we can easily change that location. All we have to do is just tap at Other. We will start at Downloads folder. However, if we go back, we'll be able to choose any folder. Let's say I would like to save all my downloads by default to test folder. I can just select that folder and then tap at Open. Now it says Test. Test folder is currently my default download location for Safari. However, we can in any time change it back simply by tapping on it. Now it says Downloads again. There is one more cool feature here. It is called Remove Downloaded List Items. If we get into it, we'll be able to configure removal of downloaded list items for after 1 day, upon successful download, and manually. I prefer to keep it after 1 day. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.